is the sweetest and most handsome boy ever, and he is perfect. There is nothing wrong with him.
Donner's honestly the best tiger here. There's no tiger that's better than Donner. He's always chuffy. He's the chuffiest one here. It's the most photogenic cat we have here. You're not going to find a bad picture of Donner.
Donner is an amazing tiger who loves chuffing and teasing his brother Roman.
Donner is so handsome. He's the best.
Woo! You scared me. Oh, Donner, he's very playful, loves messing around with all of his enrichment, and he also always looks like he's smiling, which is pretty nice.